your NBC Nebraska weather forecast with meteorologist Travis Klanecky.
Well, welcome back, everybody. Still maybe a few slick spots out here at this time, but the conditions should continue to improve in the next couple of hours as temperatures start to rise above freezing. Still mainly overcast skies out there. Could still be a little bit of light rain, and of course, because it's 32 degrees, maybe still some freezing rain. But that ice glaze is starting to become more slushy now out there at this time. Now, we did pick up some snow farther east. Probably the most impressive snow that we saw around the area was around the York area. And in fact, most of the ground was white a few hours ago. Even the interstate was completely covered for a time, but that is also starting to melt off just a bit with temperatures near and just above freezing. So here as we go through the rest of the day today, 33 at noon, still a chance of some light rain or freezing rain, and then mostly sunny by 4 o'clock. We'll see a high in around 40, 39 at 4. 28 at 8 o'clock with clear skies this evening. A colder night is ahead of us. So the main batch of snow that we had earlier this morning, that has shifted to the east now towards the Nebraska-Iowa border and east from there. We still have one last little round of light rain or freezing rain, maybe a couple of snowflakes mixed in. Notice how it's becoming more rain as you get towards southwest Nebraska. And then there's clearing taking place farther to the west here. That's that sunshine that's going to work its way from west to east as we go through the afternoon hours, and will continue to clear up the skies in eastern Nebraska this evening. So winter weather advisory will continue for another, about 15 minutes or so here in south central Nebraska. The threat is starting to lower now at this point. We'll continue until 1 o'clock across parts of east central and northeastern portions of Nebraska. So as we look ahead at your forecast, then things will start to turn our attention to Christmas Day. Things will turn quiet tonight and tomorrow. It will be colder tonight in the teens, 17 degrees for a low, back into the 40s with plenty of sunshine. A decent Saturday, a good day for your Christmas Eve. Now overnight Saturday night, mainly late night, chances of drizzle and rain will pick up. Now initially maybe even a little bit of freezing drizzle or freezing rain, and then as we get into your Sunday, chances of showers and thunderstorms. Now right now it looks like the best chance will be during the morning and early afternoon in the Tri-Cities, maybe through the mid-afternoon in eastern Nebraska. And as we head towards the evening, things will start to clear up. Our high could actually be closer to the middle of the day. Once that clearing actually takes place, we'll pick up more of a west and northwest wind, and that will start to usher in colder temps. So temps may drop later in the day. It gets windy and cold overnight Sunday night as skies clear up. A chillier day on Monday, but not bad. 30s for highs, back into the 40s by Tuesday and Wednesday. Another small drop in temps back into the upper 30s on Thursday, but quieter weather once we get past Christmas on Sunday. So again, skies will clear up from west to east this afternoon. Precipitation will eventually move out by the mid-afternoon hours. Continued quiet conditions then overnight tonight and through the daytime hours tomorrow. So looking pretty good as we go through that 24-hour time frame. Then we'll see the increasing clouds as we head into Saturday night, and watch as we get towards about 3 a.m. starting to see some rain and maybe some drizzle lift northward, and there could even be a little bit of a mix of maybe some freezing rain or freezing drizzle out there. But as temperatures start to rise late in the night into early on Sunday morning, that threat will start to shift towards northern Nebraska. So I don't see it being a major issue out there, but look at the widespread rain and thunderstorms out there. Even at 7 o'clock in the morning on Christmas morning, we could have thunder and lightning out there. This main batch, this main line will start to move eastward Sunday morning by 9:30 west of the Tri-Cities. We could see showers and storms, maybe even some isolated severe storms. Yes, even at 9:30 in the morning, that will move towards the Tri-Cities, probably late morning to around noon, and then into eastern Nebraska during the afternoon hours. Meanwhile, we've got snow in northwest Nebraska, although the worst conditions will be up in the western Dakotas where they will have blizzard conditions. Maybe a little bit of snow clipping the northwestern corner of the viewing area, a little bit of light dusting of snow. Meanwhile, temperatures again will be dropping as those winds pick up out of the west and those skies clear up, that dry air moves in. But again, for most of the KSNB viewing area, not expecting snow with this system. But yes, severe weather is a possibility. There is a slight risk of severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center for Sunday. Again, I would say 7 a.m. through 3 p.m. is the main time frame. Gusty, damaging winds are the biggest threat the way it looks right now, but very, 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 very small chance. Again, I will emphasize that, a very small chance of an isolated tornado. Again, I think winds will be the biggest threat on Sunday on Christmas Day. Temperatures right now mostly in the 30s, low 30s still around the Tri-Cities, waiting to warm up a couple of degrees to melt off that ice out there. Later on today, looking at temperatures upper 30s to low and mid 40s, perhaps even getting a little closer to 50 with those temperatures out west, having a chance to warm up thanks to a little more sunshine here as we go through the afternoon hours.
I just stepped out the back door. I think I can sense that slight improvement's underway. You wouldn't say it's great out there, but it's getting a little better already.
Yeah, I'd say about 1, 2 o'clock, road conditions should be better, especially once that sun comes out. That's when things will quickly improve out there.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks a lot, Travis. Appreciate it.